Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and respected parents, Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to start a second lesson for Iqra Applied Grammar Book 3 Unit 1, which is articles. Before moving to the next exercise, I just want you to give feedback for the previous day homework that was given to you by me. As you know that exercise B has been given to you as your homework, and the exercise B is correct the mistakes, rewrite the sentences below. जैसा कि आप सबको बताया गया था, इसमें हमने आर्टिकल्स की मिस्टेक्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और करेक्ट सेंटेंसेस को रीराइट करना है. एज यू कैन क्लियरली सी दैट स्टूडेंट्स, दे आर आर्टिकल्स मिस्टेक्स विच हैज़ बीन हाईलाइटेड बाय मी. ये आर्टिकल्स की मिस्टेक्स को हाईलाइट कर दिया गया है फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस. जैसे कि फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में आलिया वांट्स टू रीड द कॉमिक बुक, इसमें द आर्टिकल की मिस्टेक थी. एक्चुअल सेंटेंस था आलिया वांट्स टू रीड अ कॉमिक बुक. सेकंड सेंटेंस, आई सा द ऑटर एट द जू. चूंकि ये वॉल साउंड है तो यहाँ हमने एन आर्टिकल लेकर आना था, तो आई सॉ एन ऑटर एट द जू. थर्ड सेंटेंस, a leopard which escaped from the zoo has been caught. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं ये ख़ास लेपर्ड की बात हो रही थी, तो यहाँ आ आर्टिकल नहीं द आर्टिकल आना था. द लेपर्ड which escaped from the zoo has been caught. Fourth sentence, Jamal is most intelligent student in the class. Students, it's quite evident that with the third degree of adjective we always use the article. So Jamal is the most intelligent student in the class. Fifth sentence, I don't like to play the volleyball. जैसा कि हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, स्पोर्ट्स आइटम्स के साथ we never use any article. So I don't like to play volleyball, यहाँ zero article था. Sixth sentence, my brother live in the apartment in the city. ये apartment one of many था, यहाँ specific article the article use नहीं होना था. So the actual sentence is my brother lives in an apartment in the city. Seventh sentence, a girl you met is my niece. ये ख़ास लड़की की बात हो रही थी, so that's why we use the article. The actual sentence is the girl you met is my niece. And the last sentence, I would love to tell you the story. This is basically one of many case, तो यहाँ the article नहीं article आना था. The actual sentence is I would love to tell you a story. I hope that you have done the whole exercise in the same way, and if you made any mistake you will correct it and write it down with the ink pen. Now it's time to move on to the next exercise, and that exercise will be done by you as your homework. ये अब आपकी एक्सरसाइज है जो आपने एज होमवर्क करनी है, एक्सटेंडेड प्रैक्टिस की. First we read out the instructions, then I'll explain the whole procedure, and then you will do the exercise on your own, and inshallah ta'ala tomorrow I'll give you the feedback. The exercise is, read the following passage, write the correct article in each blank space. If no article is needed, leave the space blank. The first one has been done for you. बच्चों, ये एक आर्टिकल है, ये एक पैसेज है हमारे पास. हमने इस पैसेज को रीड करना है और इस पैसेज के अंदर वी हैव लेफ्ट स्पेसेस. हमने ब्लैंक्स को छोड़ा है, उन ब्लैंक्स में या तो आर्टिकल इस्तेमाल होना है या नहीं होना. You have already read the rules about article. There will be no difficulty for you, and I'll read this passage out for you so that it will be easy for you to solve this exercise. And you will do this exercise with lead pencil, and tomorrow when I'll give you the feedback, you will write it down with your ink pen. I'm start reading the passage. Abdullah lives in an apartment with his mother, father and sister. Fatima dash apartment has 3 bedrooms, dash kitchen, dash bathroom and dash living room. नेक्स्ट पेज पे आ जाते हैं हम. Abdullah's father works in dash office and his mother stays at dash home and looks after dash apartment. She spends much her time in dash kitchen preparing meals. Abdullah and Fatima help their mother with dash housework. Abdullah likes using dash vacuum cleaner and Fatima likes to sweep with dash broom. Mother gives Abdullah and Fatima money when they help her. They usually spend the money to buy dash story books. Now students, it's your turn to do your homework, and inshallah ta'ala tomorrow I'll come up with the feedback. It's time to say goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.